In this video, I will show you how to make a PayPal invoice. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to paypal.com and just go ahead and log into your account. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. What you're going to want to do next is come up to the top to these options and click onto the pay and get paid option up here. Next, what you need to do, you're going to see a section for invoicing just here. So you want to click onto create and manage invoices. So what it's going to do is take you across to a screen like this, and this way you can actually come to create your invoice. So what you can do is, first of all, select the template. So you've got quantity, hours or amounts only. So you just want to choose the appropriate template from there and choose the currency that you want to send this invoice in. Once that's done, come over to the right hand side, and what you can do is click onto this add logo button to go ahead and add a logo to your invoice. So I've just gone ahead and added my logo, and then what you want to do is bill, and you can choose whether to bill to a single customer or multiple customers. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to select single customer, and what you want to do then is enter the email address or the name. So you want to click onto this box, click onto add new customer, and then you want to go ahead and fill in their details on this screen. So once you've gone ahead and added their details, what you're going to want to do is come down to the next section which says items, and then you want to click onto the item name box, click onto add new item, and then fill in the next form for the item that you are invoicing for. On this screen, you can fill out the item name, you can put a description as well, which is optional, put the price in, and choose whether to add tax or no tax. Once that's done, just press the blue Save Item button. Then what you can do is click again onto this drop down box, and you're going to see the item there. So you just want to click to add this. Once that's done, we're just going to scroll down to the next section. So what you can also do is add a message to the customer. So this is any notes for the customer. So you can add something like that, just like so. You can also add terms and conditions and a reference number, and it's also an option for more options. So if you click onto this arrow here, and what you can do is upload files, so you can upload like images or things like that. And you can also add a memo to self just down here. So once that's done, if we come back up to the top of the page, and if you look in the top right hand corner, you've got these three dots here where it says more actions. If you click onto this, you can choose to share the link to invoice, which means you're going to get a link which you can share with anyone to view the invoice. You can save as a draft, and you can also choose to save as a template. Now you can also go ahead and preview your invoice by clicking this icon here of this picture of an eye, and this is going to give you a preview of what the invoice looks like. So if you're happy with everything and you want to go ahead and send, all you need to do is come and click the blue send button here, and once you've done that, you're going to get a confirmation screen like this saying your invoice has been sent, and you will also receive a confirmation email to the email link to your PayPal account saying about details of your invoice that you sent. So that is how to make a PayPal invoice. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.